So I've had people ask me about growing radishes. How easy is it to grow radishes, and what do they need to do? So personally, I don't like radishes, but I grow them for other people in my family who like radishes. They're really easy to grow. Anyone can grow them. You can grow them in your flower bed, or you can grow them in a pot or in the ground. Um, like everything else in gardening, it's just Googling it and looking online to learn more about the plants you want to grow. Radishes, there are many different versions of radishes, so pick what you want. For the purpose of this demonstration, I picked up some radishes at the local dollar store. And these radishes on the back of the package tell you how long it takes to grow them. So these are roughly 30 days. So that means you can start a batch of them almost every week. And after 30 days, you'll have radishes ready to be eaten every week. There's a thing on the package that refers to thinning. This is where you want to make sure each radish that you're growing, when it sprouts out of the ground, that you have 2 inches between them. So you're going to go through and thin it out a little bit. As cheap as these seeds are, you can literally buy a packet, dump the whole thing in, and then thin them out. You can do this almost every other week, and you'll have plenty of radishes. Let's see. You want to make sure you have ground that's easily drained with lots of organic material, such as peat moss or whatever, sand. If you have real sandy soil, you got to have some other stuff added to it for it to really grow. But you want the sand, the dirt to be easy drainable and easy for the plant to grow into. If the dirt is too tough, the plant will have a hard time growing into. So the best part about radishes is that you can grow them with other plants such as um, lettuce and other plants that grow at this time. Radish is one of those plants you can grow in the early spring. Pretty much any time throughout the year you can grow them, but you can start them early versus you can't start tomatoes that early in the spring. So now I'm going to just go ahead and put these and spray some out. You could put them in a little trench, but to be honest with you, when it comes to radishes, the easiest way is to just use the packet and just pour them out gently so they're not all in a row, as long as they're scattered around, because you're going to go thin them out. This isn't rocket science. You don't have to worry that you're going to mess this up. Just pour them all out, make sure they're all spread out. Now, these plants don't need to be very deep in the ground. They just need a little bit of dusting of dirt over them. So just kind of cover them up with the excess dirt, shake them in real good. You don't want them to be too deep, because if they get too deep, they might have a hard time growing up to the top. This is where it's really important to make sure you have some nice, light and fluffy soil. Now, when growing radishes, something that I do is that you can get a popsicle stick and you just put the date that you planted those seeds. That way you have a marker of when they should be coming up and expect them to come up. And when they start to pop up, if you notice a couple radishes, they're very small still, they're size of a pencil, you could give it a little plant food, fertilizer, whatever, but they don't really need that much. Um, when they start coming up the size of a grape, that's when they're ready, depending on each variety. There's so many different types of radishes. They come in different sizes. So it's important that you research what type of radish you're planting to know what it should look like. When it comes to radishes and many fruits in the garden, vegetables in the garden, it comes down to just having a good idea of what it should look like when it's ready to be eaten and taste. If they don't taste ripe, then you might have to let it sit there a little longer. Um, Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.